Lenovo Z5 revealed, but it's not the Android smartphone you were hoping. Lenovo has today revealed their new flagship Android smartphone, the Lenovo Z5. The Hong Kong-based tech giant have today revealed the Lenovo Z5 at an event in Beijing. In the run-up to the big reveal, fans were sent into overdrive with teases looking like the Lenovo Z5 could be the first ever all-screen phone. Close-up teases of the Lenovo Z5 seemed to show a bezel-less phone with no iPhone X-style notch in sight. It was also rumored that the Lenovo Z5 could come with a whopping 4 TB of internal storage. And today fans have finally got their first look at the Lenovo Z5, and some have been left disappointed. The Lenovo Z5 has been officially revealed and, unlike previously thought, it does feature an iPhone X-style notch on the display. Lenovo said the Z5 has a screen-to-body ratio of 90% and bezels that are thinner than the Xiaomi Mi 8 and iPhone X, The Verge reported. The Lenovo Z5 also boasts 16-megapixel dual cameras and an unspecified 8-core Qualcomm processor. Meanwhile, the battery is 3300 mAh and can be fast-charged. Unlike the too-good-to-be-true rumors of 4 TB of storage, the Lenovo Z5 comes with either 64GB or 128GB of storage. Both models also feature 6GB of RAM. The Lenovo Z5 goes on sale in China on June 12 with the base model priced at 1,299 yuan, which is just under £152. This bargain price should at least make up for the disappointment some fans are feeling at the Lenovo Z5 not boasting an all-screen design. On Twitter after the Lenovo Z5 was revealed, some fans posted their disappointment at the final smartphone reveal. One fan tweeted, "Disappointed with the Lenovo Z5, was looking forwards to it from the teasers." While another posted, "Extremely disappointed with what we got with the Lenovo Z5." One added, "Lenovo Z5 is a disappointment." And one wrote, "This is the new number Lenovo Z5 and it's just pure disappointed." The Lenovo Z5 is releasing on the same day that another Android smartphone is being launched, the Vivo Nex. This could be closer to the bezel-less, all-screen dream that fans had hoped the Lenovo Z5 would make a reality. The Vivo Nex will be based on the Vivo Apex prototype that got plenty of smartphone fans excited. The Apex prototype features an under-glass fingerprint sensor, a pop-up selfie camera and a massive 98% screen-to-body ratio.